Hello dear students, welcome to Newton Gate Academy where we make your dreams come true. So today we will discuss about health and hygiene from class 6 and this topic will enhance your knowledge in the topic what is health and why hygiene is important for our life. So hygiene is a set of practices to maintain and preserve our health. According to World Health Organization, hygiene is the practice to maintain the health and prevent the diseases. So, hygiene refers to the cleanliness. Health and hygiene is a very important topic. So, let's get started with the series of questions that I promised in my last video. So, the first question says, what are communicable diseases and how can they be avoided? Okay, so let me explain the answer to you. So disease can be classified broadly into communicable and non-communicable disease. So what are communicable diseases? Disease which spread from one person to another by the entry of microorganisms are known as communicable diseases. And the disease causing germs that can be bacteria, fungus, virus are called as or termed as pathogens. These disease causing agents or the disease can be avoided by the proper vaccination, healthy food and hygienic surroundings. So our second question says, list 5 things you can do for your oral hygiene. So the answer will be, brush your teeth at least twice a day. Use a dental floss. Dental floss for removing stuck food particles between the teeth. Eat lots of raw vegetables and fruits like carrot, radish, etc. You can also eat food that is rich in calcium like cheese, curd and milk, and you should avoid eating sticky sugary foods like candy, Cadbury's, etc. So our third question says, list 3 ways by which you should keep your environment clean. Health and hygiene not only means keeping yourself clean. Health and hygiene also means you should keep your environment clean. So, let us discuss what are the ways we can maintain the environmental hygiene around us. We should keep our environment clean in the following ways. So, cleanliness of environment, maintaining a clean environment to prevent the spreading of diseases due to the breeding of mosquitoes, houseflies and other microorganisms. Garbage should be kept in covered bins so that flies do not breed on it. Do not allow water to stagnate outside your house and in your neighborhood. This will prevent the breeding of mosquitoes and other diseases. So our next question says, what is balanced diet? As we know, balanced diet is very essential to keep yourself healthy. So let us know what it actually means, the term balanced diet. So, a diet which consists of all the essential nutrients like carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals with roughage in adequate proportion is called as balanced diet. So, the following properties of balanced diet are meets the nutritional requirements of food, consist of variety of food items in adequate proportion, provides adequate amount of energy to body. So our last and final question is, what is composting and what is vermicomposting? Let me describe the answers to you. So biodegradable waste is allowed to decompose naturally by dumping it into the pits covered with soil. Microbes in the soil decompose this waste into the compost. This is called composting. And in some cases, earthworms are added to the pits containing biodegradable wastes to speed up the decomposition process. And this is called as vermicomposting. So my dear champs, I hope you love the video. So ending here for today, and I will be back very soon with more such videos of this top series of questions. Please give a big thumbs up and share with all your friends, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe. Thank you.